Today I will be showing you how to use a website called Padlet.com, which is a great tool that allows teachers to make their students' thinking visible. Padlet is essentially a virtual wall where teachers and students can post various items to explain their thinking by using docs, images, pictures, or videos. The first step you will need to complete is to create an account and sign up for free by clicking on the Sign Up for Free option. Please take a few minutes to create an account by logging into your Google accounts or any other account that you may want to associate with Padlet. Once you have created your account, please follow along with the rest of the video. In order to create a Padlet, you'll have to go to the top left-hand corner and click on the button that says Make a Padlet. After you do so, you will then see the different types of Padlets that you can create, as well as the different templates that you can use for your Padlet. For this example, I will be showing you how to create a Padlet using a Padlet wall. So if you scroll back up to the top, I'm going to show you how to create a basic Padlet wall. So go ahead and press the select button that you see in front of you. After you have created a wall, it is here where you can now modify and save settings to your new Padlet. The first thing that I will do is change the title of my Padlet. For this example, I will call my Padlet Inquiry Math. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Inquiry Math into my title. The reason why I have chosen this as my title is that I will be posting a question for my students to answer through Padlet. In the description tab under the title is where I will write my instructions for the class. I could post the instructions to the class using a virtual sticky note, but I find that it just gets lost in all the other students' answers. Once they are there submitting their answers, they all look very similar, and the instructions and the important aspects of what is needed sometimes gets lost. The students also might miss a piece of the assignment, so in the description you can simply write the question for them to investigate. As you can see, I have typed in my question. The question that I have typed in is here in the description tab. Once you type it in the description tab, it also populates at the top of the Padlet. The question that I'm going to be asking my students is the following. Predict how many Skittles are in the weights. After you make your prediction, please explain 2 different methods that helped you to verify your answer. Now that I've chosen my question, I can also choose the wallpaper of my preference. For this example, I will be showing you how to upload an image that the students will be answering as part of the question. If you choose to not upload an image to part of your question, all that you would simply do is pick from one of the following options by clicking on the More button, and you will see the different options that the Padlet has given you. For this example, I will be adding in an image. So I'm going to scroll up where it says Add Your Own, and I'm going to pick Add Your Own. And I'm going to pick an image. As you can see, I have chosen my image that I have uploaded from my computer. If you do not want to have the image as part of your question, you can select any image that is given to you. You can also give your Padlet a symbol by choosing one of the options provided by clicking on the More button that you see right here. If you continue to scroll down, you will also notice an option that allows students to comment. So by clicking on the comment option, it turns it on and off. So I need to turn my comment function on, which will allow students to post answers on my virtual sticky note. After this is done, click on the next button and you can start posting with your students. In order to start a post, you can go down to the bottom right corner where you see the plus sign, and by clicking on the plus sign, this will create your virtual answer, which you can attach an attachment by clicking on these 3 buttons, and you can upload a file from your computer. You can also upload an image if you were doing work at your desk, and you could upload it with a phone or an iPad. You can also insert a link if you wanted to explain your answer using a website. I'm going to show you how to post with your students. So I'm just going to make a prediction based upon the amount of Skittles that I see in the weight. So I'm going to write down, I predict there will be 25,000 Skittles. So if I click anywhere else on the screen, it automatically generates a virtual sticky note. If I don't like what I've written, I can always click on the pencil and I can edit my answers. The great thing about Padlet is that it doesn't require any students to share their names, so they can collaborate in an inquiry setting and not have the fear of their name being posted on the virtual wall unless they chose to do so. As more and more students engage in the learning, you will see their answers being posted on the virtual wall, and this will lead to some great conversations within the classroom. Padlet is a really engaging tool that will allow students to post their thinking in a safe environment. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you give Padlet a try. Thanks for watching.